hope the audio is working alright. It's very windy up here, but I'm on the southwest coastal path in Devon. I'm at Bolberry Down, which is one of my favourite places along the coast. Absolutely stunning scenery. I don't know whether I'll see anything today. I hope I will, but we'll just see. And my idea today is just to try and get some pictures of some birds in flight. Whether it's just gulls or if I'm lucky enough to see anything else, that'll be great. But if it's just gulls, it's just a practice really, and go over some settings I'm using and techniques. And we'll see where we go. Anyway, I'm going to set off. Oh, hang on, a slight problem down the path though. You can just see just over my shoulder there's a big cow. Out of breath because I've been going back uphill now, so I found a relatively sheltered spot. It's not easy to say. So hopefully you're picking up the audio. I apologise if the audio is a bit rough. Yeah, so concentrating today on using my 1.4 extender, which is this little bit here, and the 100 to 400 lens. And I've decided now, because I watched a video only this morning, from a guy called Espen, who, if you like this sort of thing, have a look for his channel. I'll put a link on it. People always do this. I'll put a link up there, and I ain't got a clue how you do that, so I'll put a link in the notes. To his channel, it's really good, really informative, and he's given me some great things to do and to try. So I'm trying now shooting in manual. I've gone for 1/1600th of the 1/1600th of a second exposure. Because I'm using the extender, I'm down to f8, which is fine because it's a nice sunny day, so I've got plenty of good light. And then I'm putting the ISO up to 800, which is an acceptable level, and I'm not going to get too much problems with 800. And that's basically it. I'm using continuous AF focus, which means that as long as I keep my finger on the button, I've just got to keep the focus point on what I'm trying to photograph, and it should hold its focus. It works really well on the 5D Mark IV. Focusing system's really good and sharp. This lens is brilliant as well. So any problems I get is down to operator error, basically. And I'm using a single focus point on one button I've programmed, and the button next to it, because I use back button focus. So the two buttons, the one I've programmed for single point focus, and the one next to it programmed for 5 points, which is the middle one and 2 above and 2 at the side. So when they're flying, it just gives me a bit more option to capture the focus. And that's it really. So yeah, just carry on, see what we can find. Some gulls so far. There's been some buzzards about, but I haven't managed to capture them yet. But so we'll keep going, and it's just a beautiful day. I just love being out here. Hopefully I'll get some good shots, which I shall show you. And then we'll go from there. The technique, I'm happy with it, it's working well. So we'll go and find some more. that's the end of another wonderful day in South Devon. A place I love to come down, it's just beautiful. I had a wonderful afternoon, not much about bird-wise, but who cares? It's a great day. So until next time, see you again.